This is the new Samsung Galaxy A54 and we are going to be unboxing it. So you can see how much thin the box is because of the fact that there is no charger in the box. You have to buy separately for $30 US. There's the phone on the inside. We get a SIM tool, we get a Type-C to Type-C cable and a quick start guide. Now the full charge of this phone will take about 90 minutes or an hour and 15 minutes if you buy the official fast charger. So here's a look at the phone. They're going to go ahead and take it out of the cover. You can see it's got this gray color. There's actually three colors: lime green, a purple, and then this black, of course. Then there are the three cameras on the back, but honestly, only two of them are actually useful. Then we also have a cover, the official Samsung cover. It's very pricey, about double the price of a normal case. But you can see there's that soft material on the inside to protect the glass back on this phone. Because this one, unlike the cheaper A34, actually has a glass back. Unfortunately, that means it'll also be more fragile, which is why I bought the case. Then here it is compared to my Huawei P20 Lite. Then of course, here's me going through all the setup process. And yeah, that glass really attracts a ton of fingerprints. And then you also get an under-screen fingerprint sensor. It's kind of slow, but it does the job. And I don't really have any complaints. Then there's Samsung wanting us to download all those rubbish apps. If you have any questions about this phone, let me know and I'll answer them in future videos.